First, let's get to Mike Fan in Tokyo as the Japanese market is trading, well, into its second hour. Mike.
Yeah, we're seeing a split picture with the Nikkei up and the topics down. Trading companies falling on concern that plunging investment in China is going to cut demand for raw materials. We have seen crude and copper prices bounce back today by about 1% apiece. Even so, Mitsubishi Corporation down 2%, Mitsui 1.5% lower, Itochu also down 1.5%. Speculation is growing that Sony may cut the price of PlayStation 3. It is holding a news conference in Germany at Gamescom today and an event tomorrow in Tokyo's Akihabara Electronics District. At $400, PS3 is twice the price of Microsoft's Xbox 360. FBR Capital says Sony's going to cut the price by $100. Janko Partners says the console will be a stripped-down version called PS3 Slim. Sony shares falling today by just over 0.5%. Nintendo down a little bit less than that. Meanwhile, the Wall Street Journal reporting that Sony may delay the launch of its new ultra-slim television. It says Sony is concerned about the high cost of making and selling the organic LED TV, and that may increase losses in its television division. Casio shares rising almost 6%. That's the biggest increase in 7 weeks. Credit Suisse, nothing to do with Heidi Kuch here, raising it to outperform from underperform. It raised the 12-month share price target 50% to 900 yen. And Kyodo News says Mitsubishi Motors is planning to add several hundred workers at a factory in western Japan. It says half will be new temporary staff, the rest transferred from other facilities. Mitsubishi also adding 750 workers in Nagoya, according to Kyodo. 300 of them temporary staff. Now we're seeing Mitsubishi Motors shares down today by about 2/3%. Toyota, the only one of the major automakers that's heading higher, up by 0.5%. Surgical mask makers are rising for a second day. A man dying of swine flu in Okinawa on Saturday. That is Japan's first death from the virus. Daiwabo Holdings up by 2.7%, Shikibo up by 2.6%. How's Linda? Back over to you.
Mike, thank you so much for that. And those gains helping the Nikkei up by about 0.1% at this point in time. Let's check other stocks that tend to benefit from flu scares. Chugai Pharmaceutical, which sells Tamiflu in Japan. Let's do a check on where that stock is right now. Currently up by about 1%. Icon, Yuhan, Biota, and Top Glove, though, are in negative territory right now. Biota Holdings down by almost 5%.